Hey guys, it's me Louise, and today we are doing the second one of getting slimed because unfortunately yesterday I actually failed my challenge in singing ABC whilst getting slimed. Yes, it was not easy. I didn't remember to even do it. But so today I have to get slimed again. We're just making the batter mix now, which is obviously a bit more watery because it was still inside my hair this morning. I literally have just got this stuff out. So we're making the stuff, we're gonna go get slimed. If you like the video, put thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below for new ideas so we can start posting more stuff for you guys. Mwah. Hi guys, it's me Louise, and I'm here again with
INTRUDER.
And today, unfortunately, as I said, I have to do this challenge again. So instead of singing the ABC, she now wants me to actually start singing the start bit of Baby Shark.
Yeah.
So, you know, life is hard. So today we'll have some slime again. I've only just got out of my hair today, but we'll do this. We also have some ice and... Spider! Spider! Let it go.
Where?
Get the spider out! Get it out! Mommy! It's gone! It's gone, it's gone.
No! It's not.
Okay, so the spider wanted to be on the video. Unfortunately, Mr. Spider, you can't be on the video. Do not come near me because I don't like spiders. Okay, stay away. There was a spider.
If you're not going to squish it.
Okay, that was the spider. Fred. You don't like Fred?
No. Every spider is called Fred. Fred, what you see.
Anyways, I can't remember where I was. So today I've got to do this challenge. Kate said I've got to put some beans into it.
Fred, get away.
Beans into this, which is disgusting. So let's just put the beans in. Oh! And then we've got our ice. And then after the challenge, I have to get hosed down because yesterday I made the house an absolute mess and actually got in trouble. So I did try to cleanse it out, I promise. So today I'm gonna get slimed with beans, ice, and also get hosed down at the hosed down at the end. So I've got to remember to sing the start of Baby Shark this time. I don't want to do this again. Okay. Okay, so Katie's getting ready. Wait! Okay. Baby Shark, do 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 do.